There are different kinds of home smoke alarms, and it's important to know which kind you have so you can keep them working properly. Some smoke alarms use a replaceable 9-volt battery. Put in a new battery at least once a year to keep your alarm working. Other alarms use your home's electricity, but still require a backup battery in case you lose electrical power. Some smoke alarms are interconnected, which means they communicate with each other. If one alarm starts beeping, they will all beep, no matter where the fire is in your home. Some interconnected smoke alarms use your home's electricity. Some are wireless. Some smoke alarms use batteries that can't be removed. The batteries in these alarms are designed to work for 7 to 10 years. At 10 years, no matter what kind of alarm you have, you should dispose of the entire alarm properly and replace it with a new one. Check with your city or town about how to dispose of the battery. If you have one of the smoke alarms with a long-life battery and it chirps to indicate low battery power, replace the entire smoke alarm no matter how old it is. Don't try to remove the battery. It can't be replaced. Test all smoke alarms once a month by pressing the test button. If you don't hear 3 beeps in a row, you should replace the battery or the entire smoke alarm, depending on which kind of alarm you have. If you replace the battery and still don't hear 3 beeps when you press the test button, replace the entire smoke alarm. Remember, you should replace all smoke alarms that are 10 years old or older. Maintain your home smoke alarms so they can help keep you and your family safe.